Now we have to examine the function for surjective, injective and bijective where the first question is f is a function from real number to real number, f is a function from real number to real number and fx is equal to x square. Fx is equal to x square. So here now, what is the function of s is given? The function of x is given x square. First we have to verify for surjective. Surjective, injective and bijective we have to verify surjective. What is the procedure for surjective? First we have to write here the function y in term of fx. That is y is equal to fx which is equal to f square. Then the second step is in left hand side we write the term in term of x. Then if y is equal to x square, then what is the value of x here? X is equal to root y. Then now x is equal to root y. Then to verify the surjective function, what is the surjective? We have to verify for each real value. See here in the domain what is contained here? All real number. Range contains here all real number. So we have to verify now for each y, for each real y, that implies is x is real here, x is not real. That implies x is not real. Because if you take y is your negative number, then what is the root y? Root y is not real. Because y contains all real number means it contains all positive and a negative real number. If it is negative real number, then its root over comes a imaginary number. That's why root y is not real here. So for each real value of y, x is not real. So you can say f is not surjective. F is not surjective function. Again we have to verify for injective function. What is injective? Then first we will take here fx. What is fx here? X square. If you take your f of x1, what is f of x1? x1 square. And what is f of x2? That is x2 square. What is the procedure for injective? fx1 is equal to fx2. We have to verify x1 is equal to x2. Then f of x1 means x1 square is equal to x2 square. That implies what is x1 here? x2 square root over. That means plus minus x2. So but our required is, what is your required for injective? fx1 is equal to fx2. Required x1 is equal to only x2, but it is called plus minus x2. So f is not injective, Then since it is not both surjective and injective, then f is not bijective. F is not bijective function. Same procedure if you solve here. Another example here, if examine for the function for surjective, injective and bijective where f is a function from real number to r plus. R plus means positive real number. And fx is equal to, what is fx here? sq plus 1. Now we have to test surjective, injective and bijective function. So here first we have to verify surjective function. What is surjective? First we write this function y is equal to fx which is equal to sq plus 1. Then that implies what is sq here? Y minus 1. That implies x is equal to y minus 1 the root q. Now here, if you take any positive real value, then for each y, x is real. X is real. For each real value of y, its root q is a real value. So for each real y, x is real. So f is surjective. F is surjective. Then second one is injective. What is injective? Now we'll take here f of x1. fx is sq plus 1. So f of x1 is sq plus 1. F of x2 is x2q plus 1. Then now we'll take here f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1q plus 1 is equal to x2q plus 1. Then that implies x1q is equal to x2q. Then if you take the root q on both sides, x1 is equal to x2. Then so f is injective. Then now here you have both surjective and injective means then f is bijective function. F is a bijective function. Similarly, you solve the exercise 1b, question number 3. This one is very important. Thank you.